All right, so let's talk about several different ways on how you can get sales in your Shopify store without running paid advertising. This list is going to be in no particular order. Some of them are better than others, but the list is going to be of 7 different ways you can use to get sales in Shopify without running paid ads. All right, number one on the list, it's going to be content marketing. Now, content marketing is a great way to actually get sales in Shopify. The bad part about this is that your article or your blog post or whatever it is that you're posting out there would, like, when I say content marketing, I'm talking about written content. This can take weeks, months, or sometimes even years to rank on the first page to drive any significant sales. I have a video already posted on my channel. I think it's called The Fastest Way to Rank on Google, in my opinion. I posted that video and I was doing a test to see how fast I could rank a brand new website on Google, and I managed to get it ranking within the first week and getting traffic to the website. You can go ahead and watch that video. I'll link it in the description of this one. I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. But that's a great starting step to see. You can see my process of how I used to get pieces of content ranked out there to get traffic to a website. You can use these same strategies, implement them in your Shopify store, and get sales that way. Number two, it's going to be social media marketing. Now, social media marketing, I'm sure you guys are familiar with TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and all that stuff. Off this list, this is my second most favorite thing for this brand that I'm running right now. I have a dedicated YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok page. I primarily focus on long form content on my YouTube channel. I repost clips of my influencer integration that usually get hundreds or thousands of views over time without me like spending any money on ads, and that drives sales to my Shopify store. Alternatively, I made a video talking about how to sell on YouTube. If you didn't notice, YouTube and well, not YouTube, Google and Shopify has this collaboration where you can now host your Shopify store directly on YouTube. I have a whole video about how to actually go ahead and do this. I spent several months working on my YouTube channel to get it monetized to enable me to sell products directly in my videos. So let's say this video was being hosted on my brand channel. I could have the videos, I could have my products featured in this video. Someone could just click on view products. It would pop up a whole section on the side and they could click check out on YouTube. No problem. They don't have to leave and go to my Shopify store. Also, that would be in the description of the video of the featured products and stuff like that. So that's a great way to get sales on your Shopify store without spending money on ads or anything like that. And that is exactly what I'm focusing on right now, to just double down on social media, to break up my long form content into short form content and just like linking products within there so people can buy whatever I want them to buy. Number 3 on this list, it's going to be something basic. It's SEO. Again, SEO is going to tie in with the number 1, which is content marketing, but just having your content marketing strategy is different from your SEO. It's a whole different thing. So having your page properly optimized for search, and then it's going to rank your website in general overall for your product pages and your collection pages and stuff like that. It's going to give it a better chance of actually ranking in the first page of Google. I don't know if you know this, but Google is actively changing right now with ChatGPT and all this other AI stuff out there. So if someone searches something that's like product based, like best shoes or best tennis ball or whatever it is related to products, you have a better chance of ranking now than before, because Google is trying to show results that matches the search intent. So if someone's looking for the best tennis shoes, they're not looking for an article, they're looking for a product to buy. So you really want to learn your SEO and like implement it properly in your product pages and your collection pages, just all over your website in general. But if you want to go ahead and learn a bit about SEO, that's also a great way to set up your store for success to get more sales without spending any money on advertising. Number 4, it's my favorite, and it's influencer marketing. This is actually how I kickstarted my store, and I primarily do paid influencer marketing collaboration, but there are several different ways you can use to do influencer marketing without spending any money. And I've done this in the past. So the influencer marketing strategies that you can use to get sales on your Shopify store without spending any money is you can collaborate with influencers and give them an affiliate link so they get a cut at each sale. Now, this is typically harder to do in the beginning. Obviously, if you offer them money to promote your stuff, it's going to be much easier for them to say yes and actually just go ahead and run a promotion. But there is a chance of you actually getting the good graces of a big influencer on Instagram or YouTube or something like that. I've managed to done this 3 times in the beginning of my store before. That's exactly how I generated money to actually be able to afford to pay other influencers for my stuff. I went on YouTube, I saw some people doing some product reviews of the same products that I had. I reached out and I'm like, hey, I'm willing to send you a free product so you can test it and do a comparison. And I did this with 3 different influencers. Like one of them had like 100,000. That video now has like 250,000 views. It's crazy. But you just have to find the right influencer and have the right messaging and reach out to them and take your shot and see if it works out for you. I'm actually working on an influencer marketing course at the moment. I'm going to have a free guide that goes with that. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below in the description. But definitely influencer marketing, don't sleep on it. It's a great way to get sales in your Shopify store without actually running ads, as long as you compensate the influencer or whoever it is you're working with properly or accordingly, so they're more willing to be on board with your store or whatever it is you're trying to sell. Number 4, it's email marketing. This one is a little bit iffy when you get here, because if you're new to Shopify and you don't already have traffic, then influencer marketing might not work. But influencer marketing is something that you'd want to tie into your other marketing strategy. So let's say you're doing content marketing and you're doing social media marketing and your SEO. You can drive all those things into an email marketing funnel. So you can drive your content marketing, your blog posts. You can tell them, hey, join my email list for whatever, get 10% off, 20% off your first sale. Or the social media, you can add this on your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube channels, and your videos, just a call to action, the description and your content all over the place to give people a reason to subscribe to your email. And once they're in, you get to market to them over and over and over again forever until they unsubscribe. But email marketing is a great way to get sales without actually spending, well, you're probably going to spend money to send out emails if you send too many, but having an email plan in place is a great way to get sales. Now, I personally didn't utilize this to the best of my abilities in the beginning. My store just crossed $800,000 in sale, and the majority of that just came from like organic marketing and influencer marketing. And I'm just now really getting into email marketing, SMS marketing. Okay, so referral marketing is number 6. This is actually a great way to get sales without marketing. And it's, a lot of people don't do this, but I've done this in the beginning and I still do this to this day with with this site actually. So for an example, let's say I have this journal right here and I wanted to look up the best journals of 2023, or the best journals for self-improvement. I would just type that into Google and I look at the results that come up. And usually these websites that pop up, rank in the top 10, I would open every single one of those and look at the contact information. I contact them and tell them, hey, look, I'm running this website that sells XYZ, this, a similar book to this. I noticed you're recommending my competitors. Would you like to include my book for a commission, or whatever your offer is? If you want to give them 10, 20, 30% of per sale or whatever, just introduce yourself and your offer to them and see if you can get your book or your product featured on your website, because immediately you're going to be getting traffic from targeted people looking for exactly that product. So yep, that's all there is to referral marketing. Okay, so number 7 is going to be collaborations and partnerships. In my opinion, this is an underutilized method of promoting your Shopify store, or just promoting your business in general, because there's so many people out here competing about who's the best and blah, 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 whatever. Now, I recently started reaching out to different businesses in my niche that serve the same audience as me, but they don't have the same products, and we can do collaboration together. So let's say, for example, I had a brand. I had a Shopify store selling shoelaces. I would find a shoe brand and reach out to them, do a collaboration so I can promote my products to their customers, and they can do the same thing. I can promote their shoes to my customers that are buying laces, and vice versa. You would just go out there and find different pieces to the puzzle that your customer would need. You could go out there and find a brand that's selling shoe soles, shoe cleaning kits and stuff like that. It's just endless. Just go out there and find different companies in your niche that serve your same audience, reach out to them, do a collaboration. You can just share your audiences over time. This is going to be, in my opinion, it's the easiest way to get, access to your customers right away. Like, in my opinion, this is even better and faster than influencer marketing, because it's so quick. All it takes is an email, and they just push out an email blast to their already existing customer list, and you just siphon your traffic right off the top and get sales right away. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. I post content about e-com, affiliate marketing, make money online in general. Again, all I ask for is a like, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and talk to you guys later. Peace.